Hi guys, welcome to It Funny channel. Today I am going to teach sample project. We using all the concept we learned till now. Let's do the sample project. Okay, this is the question I wrote. Input student marks and calculate and display the total, average, grade. These are the following subjects: maths, English and arts. Okay, you have to enter the marks of each and every subject and calculate and display the total, average, grade. Okay, there is some condition I wrote here. If the average is more than 50, result will be pass, otherwise results will be fail. Okay, let's see how to do this program. Okay, let's open the VB.NET form. Go to the toolbox and first I am going to design the form first. Label 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 label and arrange them. I am going to change the name. So subject, I am entering the subject maths, English, arts. Total, final total, average, grade. Right, now I need some relevant text boxes for this label control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arrange them. Okay, now I need one button. I'm going to enter 2 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This will be okay, this will be cancel, clear, this will be exit. I have 3 buttons, one is okay, clear and exit. Okay, let me start and run the program and see. Here you have to enter the marks of maths. If you enter the marks of English, arts, click OK button. Once you enter and click OK button, results should be displayed on this total text box, average will be displayed on the average text box, grade will be displayed on the grade text box. Okay, then after calculate and display the total, average, grade and grade, if you click clear button, all the fields are clear. Okay, let's see how to do the task. Okay, double click the OK button and go to the before do the task, first we are going to change the name of the each text boxes. Okay, here maths, txt maths. here txt English, here txt arts, here txt talked, txt average, here txt great. Okay. Now double click on this button, and first I am going to create the variables and equal into these text boxes. How many variables you have? You are going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are considered as integer types. Grade will be, we have to consider as what type of this is a string. Okay, so I need only 5 variables. Sorry. So how to create the variables? Start the keyword dim in VB.NET. Here maths 1, science, comma, arts, comma, taught, comma, average as integer. Right. Now what I am going to do is, here I am going to equal into the relevant text boxes. Maths equal txt maths dot text. Science equal txt science, sorry, not science, this will be English. txt select English and text. Here arts equal txt arts dot text. Dot equal maths plus English plus arts. Okay, here if you type any marks on this max text box, this is the text box which name is this text max. It's passed into the variable maths. When you're going to type in this text box, this called as text English, it passes into the variable English. This called as txt arts. This is the text box txt arts is passed into the variable arts. Okay, after that both are here calculating and put into the variable after calculated and pass into the variable dot. Okay, keep in your mind. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to set the dot txt dot text equal dot. Okay, I am going to the final total I am going to pass in the text box dot 67,767. Click OK button here, total will be displayed. Okay. Now I am going to total will be displayed successfully. Now I am going to go to calculate the average part. Okay, let's see how to do this. Okay, so I have 3 subjects. So when you calculating the average, you are divided by the how many subjects available. Okay, here 3 subjects. Okay, total you are going to divide by 3 because you have to divide by, there are 3 subjects, so you have to divide by 3. So here I get this variable average. equal total divide by. Now I am going to print this one in text average text box equal avg. Let's run and see what happened. Here I enter the marks 67, 67, 61. Click OK. Here average will be displayed. Okay. Here total will be displayed. This is the total variable. I get the variable here and divide by 3. Okay, but we are 3 subjects, so divide by 3 and here put into this average variable, and I'm getting this average variable here, pass into here. The average variable, what is the value of average is passed into the average text box. Okay, divided and okay, we successfully done average also. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the grade. So when you going to calculate the grade, there should be the condition. What is the condition I wrote here is, if the average more than 50, results will be pass, otherwise results will be fail. Okay, when you going to calculate the average, you have two things keep in your mind. One is a if condition. If there are two things, one is a if, another one is else. If mean the condition true mean if the condition fails mean go and check if else. Okay, if it's true, display this part. If it is condition is false, go and display this part. Okay, now let's write here, if average greater than 50, that should be our condition, results will be pass. So we have to directly put these text boxes, and what is the text box? Txt grade. Txt grade dot text equal pass. Okay, else we don't need to check the one. Okay, grade dot text equal fail. If the condition is true, if the marks is, we are going to calculate the marks again. I'll show you. Here I'm going to enter the values. Click OK. If the average is more than 50, now the average is, what is the average? 70. 70 will be coming here. 70 greater than 50. So 70 is greater than 50. So the grade should be passed. Otherwise, what? Grade will be fail. Okay, here this student got more than 70. So results will be passed. Okay, let's enter another marks. Let's enter another marks here. Okay, let's enter some fail marks. Okay, this will be fail. Why? The average is below 50, so that it is not going and check here. It go to the else condition and print this fail message, because the average should be 48. Okay, keep in your mind. If you have any doubt, ask anytime. The same tutorial I am going to teach at C#. I already designed the form. Now double click on this OK button. You can see this one. Now I am going to create the variables. So what is the data type? Integer. Category int, maths, English and arts. These are the subjects, and taught, comma, average. I have created 5 variables, integer variables. Now I am going to equal into the relevant text box fields. So first, maths equal int dot pass. When you are writing the integer values, you have to write this method in dot pass. Within the bracket you have to txt maths. You have to specify the text box name txt maths dot text. The same thing you have to do the rest of the text boxes also. English equal in dot pass txt English, select and text, right. Arts equal in dot pass here txt arts dot text. That's it. Now I am going to calculate the values. Dot equal maths plus English plus arts. Now I am going to pass into the text box. Top text box. This is text text box name txt dot text equal dot. You have to call the method which is a toString. Okay, run the program and see. First you enter the marks and click OK button. You can get the total display on this total text box. When you enter the marks, it is passed into the variable max. Here pass into the variable English. Here pass into the variable arts. Both are here calculate and pass into the total variable. I am here total, this text box called as text dot, and I pass into this variable into this text box. Finally I wrote the toString method. Okay, now I am going to go to calculate the average. First you have to write the average variable and dot divide by 3. Now I am going to put this one is the relevant text field here in this field. So it's called as this text box called as text average. So here txt average dot text equal average dot toString method. That's it. And let's run and see the output. Here click OK. Here this will be the display the total. Here display the average. Now I am going to calculate the grade. When you are going to calculate the grade, there should be the condition if average greater than 50 within open curly bracket close curly bracket. Within the curly bracket you have to write txt grade. You directly input the text box name here dot text, pass the method, pass the message pass, else txt grade dot text equal fail. Let's run and see. Here average greater than 50. This average is greater than 50, so results will be pass. It will be displayed. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.